Hi, I'm Yi Wei, and I'll be reading Wings by Beatrix Leong. So let's go. Okay, Wings, written and illustrated by Beatrix Leong. She has the same name as my sister. Ever lived in a world where everyone was born with wings. Boys flew freely in the air, but girls weren't allowed to fly. They were told flying was only for boys and girls weren't meant to fly. People were often cruel in making sure girls didn't fly. Their wings would be tied and bound. Sometimes they would be cut off. Sometimes girls were kept in cages so they wouldn't fly. Because of all this, girls believed that flying was wrong and that they couldn't fly. They thought it was wrong to fly like the boys. Eva was different. She realized this wasn't fair. Why were girls being held back? Her own wings were tied too, and she longed to fly high in the sky. She thought about it, and one day she decided to try and untie her vines. She struggled, but she did it in the end. Eva took flight. She was delighted, but this was not enough, she decided. Other girls deserved to fly too. So she made it her mission to help other girls free their wings and even get new wings. Soon many girls flew. Eva was sure one day every girl would be able to fly too. She longed for that day. The end. Reading is important because it gives you the opportunity to go outside your immediate world and to see things that you normally wouldn't see. Coming from a lower middle class family with not a lot of money to travel, reading was the only thing that exposed me to different things, different places, and different happenings in the world. And I'm always really thankful to my parents for starting me early in reading. My first complete story was Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. So that's it.